Hi guys, again I'm back with you, and today we're going to talk about how you can get new passive income stream with a FutureADPRO account. Okay, so first, what should you do? Simply go to the link and watch this free FutureADPRO presentation.
Would you like to participate in this company's FutureADPRO? Are you interested in making money online without having to sponsor a single person? Without having to sell anything to anybody? Would you like to participate in this company's total success and turnover starting from day one? Well, lucky you. Today you're in the right place at the right time. FutureADPRO offers everybody the chance to generate income from the online advertising market, wherever you are in the world.
Okay, this is how it's working. This is my FutureADPRO account, and as you can see, right now I have 6 packs for $50 each. Okay, so I started from one package, and it was let's say 6-7 months ago. So as you can see, I made some great profit here, and this is how I can get my passive income every single day. Here is my passive income, $11.75. Okay, and as soon as it goes to $50, I can either withdraw this money or simply buy a new FutureADPRO pack. Usually I simply buy my FutureADPRO packs. So how you can do it? Okay, first of all, you have to register, so please click this link below. Okay, and register. You'll get to this probably this page. Simply press registration, fill in all these gaps, okay, and you will get your first FutureADPRO account. Well, FutureADPRO and FutureNet, these are the same companies actually, because FutureADPRO is an advertising agency inside of FutureNet. Okay, so this is what you will see after registration. Then simply go to my business, to back office. Okay, go to your back office, and you will see something like this. Then press FutureADPRO and you'll get inside of a FutureADPRO members area. Okay, this will be like this. After that, simply go to buy new ad packs, choose $50, and you can start, let's say, from 1 or 2 packages. Okay, then press buy. Not enough money, because you can actually buy your packages from your profit, or you can buy them using your real money. So okay, we will buy using our money, and these are the payment processors. Okay, simply use one that you let's say prefer. Okay, and after that you will be able to buy your first packages. As soon as you've bought your first package, okay, you will need to do some simple work every single day, and this is like this. Simply watch your ads. You must watch 10 ads every single day. It will take, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes for you. Okay, and this is what is needed for you, because actually what company does, this company simply shares its revenue with all the members. Okay, this is how they can give you your money, because they are advertisement agency. Okay, and everybody, every member simply watches advertisements, and this is how they can make money. Okay, and this is why this is actually absolutely a legitimate business for you as well. Okay, so you do this, let's say, every single day, and in your members area, from day 2, you will see how much money you made. Okay, this is how it's working. I hope this was useful for you. So what you should do next, simply go to this link, press this button, and start your business, start your new passive income stream. Have a nice day.